Hi, I'm Xu Can. I'm the General Manager of System Information Technology. This company focused on the intelligent manufacture and big data technologies, and also the industrial internet platform products, majorly for steel business. In 2018, System Information built the first multiple process smart center in Baowu Group, Shaoguan Steel, which is the first practical industry internet platform in steel business in the world. With this platform, actually, System Information merged steel production with big data technology and intelligent manufacture technology. Actually, now in steel business, System Information already have the references to provide automation system to almost all the processes of steel production. Not only that, actually we have the references of providing export those automation systems to like Southeast Asia, to India, to even European countries and Brazil. We have that kind of references. And now, because the industrial internet platform and intelligent manufacture technology are quite new technologies. Now we are looking forward to provide those technologies to overseas markets. We actually have full confidence on those products because we have proved that we can create a lot of value for our clients. That's our next step plan. In the last decades, we have already built a very good relationship with the world famous steel companies like ArcelorMittal, like Tata Steel. Those companies basically are like in India, in Europe. Now our next step is to try to provide our intelligent products to those kind of steel plants. And we actually have bridges subsidiaries with more than 15 employees who are all English people, and our team actually have great communication with our Chinese team, and now we are ready to go to like sites in Indonesia, like in Ukraine and in Luxembourg. Lots of steel plants. We will do some factory investigation there, and then after that we will give solutions to those steel plants, and probably we will provide our intelligent product to them soon. This year's China's Smart Expo, we will show a lot of, we will give exhibitions in multiple areas. For example, we will give an introduction to our industrial internet platform in Chongqing main gallery, and also we will demonstrate our other intelligent products in Yuzhong district gallery and also high-tech district galleries. And also we will give a press conference to introduce our industry internet platform product.